What should I tell a patient if they don't think they're sick, but I think they have pancreatic cancer?
You think one of our patients has pancreatic cancer?
17. He's burped 17 times in 10 minutes. It's a frequent symptom of pancreatic cancer.
Sean, it's acid reflux.
He's also jaundiced.
No, he isn't.
She just...
Walk with me. Say nothing.
Hey, Sean.
Do a CBC, CMP, and do not tell him why.
You want me to lie?
I don't want you to tell the truth. The discoloration, if there is any, is very minor. I don't want you scaring the crap out of the man over nothing.